Right, I've taken the headlight off because it doesn't plane up again. Anyway, found out why. Water has been getting in and it was just sitting here. Look at the state of that. It's all rust. This is like a layer of rust. So I'm going to drill some holes in the bottom here so water can escape. And then I'm going to use my wire brush, give that a quick rub down and prime it. Because look at that, that is faded from the British sun, which isn't the best sun. That's completely faded. I should just upgrade the thing. That is my vibration tape. That's not tied on, that's just a vibration. Look at that, that's the night and day difference between sun damage. No sun damage. Just going to give it a quick buff down and give it a respray. See what it looks like. The problem why I think a part of the problem why this is leaking is because it doesn't have a rubber gasket going around the edge. But yeah, water was getting in, so I'm just gonna give it just a quick top up around the edge, basically, just to make it look a bit more presentable. I've got some black paint up here. Found some spare paint, so I'll do the priming of this today. Leave that for 24 hours and then come back. Another layer of that. Found some black paint. Bit of high temperature paint, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Cover this all over. I'm sure it'll be fine. Just like this for a couple of days.
So yeah, after a few days, I just painted the headlight case you can see there on the floor. Just a nice primer, a nice bit of black, and then a layer or two of lacquer to protect it, and hopefully that will be and not fade in the sun like the cheap headlight that was on there before. It was $7.99, that headlight was. I guess that's what I get for buying a cheap headlight. And of course the second problem I had was I had an LED headlight, and because of the way that Hondas and their engines work, well, the alternating current instead of direct current means that the LEDs were flashing. And having a flashing headlight as you go down the road, and then at a certain point it would just get annoyed, the LED would, and just cut out, and the only way to get it back on again was to stop the bike and then start the bike up again and then turn the lights back on again. So that was a massive pain in the butt, so I've gone back to the old style halogen or whatever light bulb it is, and that seems to be working just fine. It's been back on the road for about a week now, no problems at all. Incidentally, now I've started doing live streaming. You can hit the notification bell if you so wish to find well, when I next go live. There's no set time, so it's a bit random, but most people have their stream on the phone as they're at work, it seems. Anyway, and you can see stuff that I'm doing in the workshop live, and I've started doing it, and I'm going to try and do it once or twice or 3 times a week. We'll see. At the moment, with all the bikes I've got, there's always work to be done. Anyway, this is just a little quick update. Don't use LEDs on your Honda Cub or any motorbike that uses alternating current. It doesn't work, but you probably already knew that. And thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel, those people on Patreon. Thank you very much. And I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.